Learning English without a teacher might sound difficult, but it is not impossible. Many people around the world have successfully learned English on their own. You can do it too. All you need is motivation, the right resources, and a clear plan. In this video, we will show you easy ways to learn English by yourself. 1. Set a goal. Before you start, ask yourself why you want to learn English. Do you want a better job? Do you want to travel? Do you want to talk with people from other countries? Knowing your goal will keep you motivated. For example, if you want to improve your speaking, focus on practicing conversations. If you want to pass an exam, focus on grammar, vocabulary, and writing. 2. Create a study plan. Make a daily or weekly plan for learning English. Decide how much time you will spend each day. It could be 30 minutes, 1 hour, or more. Be consistent, practice every day. Example plan. Monday, learn new words, vocabulary. Tuesday, practice speaking. Wednesday, listen to English podcasts or watch videos. Thursday, read a short story or article. Friday, write a short paragraph or diary entry. Saturday, review what you learned during the week. Sunday, take a rest or talk with a friend in English. 3. Use online resources. There are many free websites, apps, and videos to help you learn English. Some popular options are Duolingo, a fun app for learning English vocabulary and grammar. BBC Learning English, free lessons on speaking, grammar, and vocabulary. YouTube, channels like English Addict with Mr. Steve or English with Altaf offer free lessons. Choose resources that match your level. Start with beginner materials and move to advanced ones later. 4. Build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the key to understanding and using English. Learn a few new words every day. Use flashcards, apps, or notebooks to remember them. Tips for learning vocabulary. Write down new words you hear or read. Make sentences with those words. Group words by topics like food, travel, or school. Review words regularly so you don't forget them. 5. Practice listening. Listening helps you understand how English is spoken. Start with simple audio materials and slowly move to harder ones. Here are some ideas. Listen to songs in English and try to understand the lyrics. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to podcasts like ESL Pod or The English We Speak. Repeat what you hear to improve your pronunciation. 6. Practice speaking. Speaking is one of the most important skills. You can practice even if you don't have a partner. Ways to practice speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing or thinking. Use apps like Hello Talk or Tandem to find people who want to practice English. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. Shadowing. Repeat sentences you hear in movies or videos. 7. Read regularly. Reading helps you learn new words and understand sentence structure. Start with easy materials like children's books, comics, or news articles for learners. Where to find reading materials? Websites like Simple English Wikipedia, free ebooks on platforms like Project Gutenberg, magazines or newspapers in English. 8. Write every day. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and learn grammar. Start small and practice daily. What to write? A diary about your day, emails or messages in English, short essays or stories, comments on YouTube videos or social media posts. 9. Learn grammar in context. Grammar can be boring if you only read rules. Learn it naturally by seeing examples in books, videos, or conversations. Focus on common grammar points like tenses, past, present, future, sentence structure, subject, verb, object, prepositions, in, on, at, articles, a and the. 10. Review and test yourself. Testing helps you know what you've learned and what you need to improve. Use quizzes on apps like Quizlet, online grammar and vocabulary tests, self-made flashcards to review. Reward yourself when you do well. This will motivate you to keep learning. 11. Immerse yourself in English. Immersion means surrounding yourself with English. It helps you learn faster. You can change your phone or computer language to English. Think in English during the day. Join online groups or forums where people speak English. Watch or listen to English content every day. 12. Stay motivated. Learning English takes time. Sometimes you might feel frustrated or tired. Don't give up. Remember your goals and celebrate small achievements. Tips to stay motivated. Track your progress with a journal or app. Join a community of English learners for support. Remind yourself why you started learning. 13. Find a learning partner. Even without a teacher, a partner can help you practice. Find someone who wants to learn English or already knows it well. Where to find partners? Language exchange apps like HelloTalk, online forums like Reddit or Facebook groups, local meetups or clubs. 14. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are a part of learning. Don't be shy or scared to speak, write, or try new things. Every mistake teaches you something. 15. Celebrate your progress. Learning English is a journey. Celebrate when you reach milestones. For example, you learned 100 new words. You understood a movie without subtitles. You wrote a story in English. Reward yourself with something you enjoy, like a treat or a fun activity. Conclusion: learning English without a teacher is possible if you have a clear plan, the right tools, and the motivation to keep going. Start small, practice every day, and don't give up. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. You can do it. Good luck on your English learning journey.